I'm Mark Berry, the Executive Director with the Arc Nature Coast.
And I'm Nancy Stubbs, the Development Director with the Arc Nature Coast.
And we're here at the Luna Fusion Hurricane Hoopla 2014. This is our third annual Hurricane Hoopla. The Arc Nature Coast is an organization that serves adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
It was a great night. We've enjoyed some of these wonderful props. The entertainment was amazing. The sponsors that helped make this possible have been wonderful. And the guests that arrived and enjoyed themselves and dancing and participating in all the activities. It's been a great evening.
And we had a turnout of about 250 to 270 people from our community that came out and celebrated the Arc and the people that we serve, and just had a wonderful night. This is our third annual event. We hope to do it every year. 3 times. It's just been very successful, a different theme every year. We don't know what the theme is next year, but we do plan on having another great Hurricane Hoopla in 2015. We hope everybody in our community can come out next year. Thank you.
For more information on the Arc Nature Coast and next year's Hurricane Hoopla, visit our website at thearc-naturecoast.org or call us at 352-544-2322.
And this is the end of the day. This is what Mark looked like.